Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar 1 hour time frame, we definitely did have a nice little breaker structure, a little impulsive move to the upside today. So this breaker structure right here tells us that the last series of lower lows, lower highs is complete. Now, like I was saying in my full top down video this morning, the trend is not over until we get a break of this structure right here. So more than likely this move up is going to be probably a wave A. We're probably now in a pullback to that move up, so we're like a crescent to that move up, wave B. And I would expect it to maybe go back up to the 60-78% for wave C. If I see any sort of a corrective price action up to a Fibonacci level, especially 3 waves up, then an impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take that as another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. If it does decide to break structure, that's fine by me. After the breaker structure, and then after pullbacks, I'll start looking for longs at pullbacks after the breaker structure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.